I got the new SawStop Jobsite Pro. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, and this is Smart Wood Shop. I just got the SawStop Jobsite Pro. It's their latest version of the Jobsite saw. As you know from watching lots of my other videos, I've been using the legacy saw, the original version, for years now. I'm very happy with it. But there are a few updates. The dust collection for the top of the saw, advanced dust collection, is included. That used to be an option, and I have it for the legacy saw, but we'll see if that's changed. They have a T-style high-low fence with ergo lock, so they've changed the fence. And there is a deeper table. They also list the quick tilt, which is on the legacy saw, and the one turn. One of my favorite things about the saw is to raise the blade from all the way down to all the way up as one turn versus cranking and cranking. But that, again, the legacy saw has that, and easy setup and mobility. The specs on the saw are that it's a 120 volt 60 hertz, of course that's US. It's 15 amp, 4,000 RPM, no load, and it is a 10-inch blade. It weighs, without this base, without the stand, it weighs 84 pounds, so it's a beast. And with the stand, it weighs 113 pounds, which is great because I'm not lifting it when it's on the stand. Cut depth on the blade is 3 1/8 inches. That's when it's at 0 degrees. And then when it's all the way over at 45, it's 2 1/8. And the rip capacity is 25 1/2 inches. I don't think any of those are changed, but I will verify that. I also ordered a few accessories. Everything you need for the saw comes in the box, but I ordered some extra stuff. I got an extra stop, a standard for the 10-inch blade, and then one for the dado blade, which is 8-inch. And I ordered a dado plate. I have one for the other saw. I think they're the same. This allows me to actually make the cut in it. It's a blank. I got the 80 tooth titanium series blade. This is their highest end blade, so I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then the standard blade, I believe it comes with, I think there's one in the box, but I got a 60 tooth 10-inch blade as well. In the next video, I am going to unbox it and assemble it, and I will take a cursory quick look at it, compare it just quickly to the legacy saw, and make a few cuts. And then I'm going to do a third video. But that one's going to come a little bit later. I want to work with this a few days, a week or so, using both saws. I'll make this my main saw, and then I'll probably do my dados and stuff on the legacy saw that I have. And so at that time, once I've done that, because I have so much experience and have done so many projects with the original saw, it'll be pretty easy to compare them. But I don't want to do that just out of the box. Again, in the next video, I'll do a cursory. We'll look together at the new fence and the new table and those kind of things. And we'll make a couple of cuts just to kind of get a feel for it. But I think the real differences between the two will become much more apparent after I have some time using it. So keep your eye out for both of those videos. Again, the next one will be just unboxing and assembling, so that way in case you decide to get one, you'll know what to expect. And then I'll follow that up with a more detailed look at what the new saw has to offer. If you like woodworking tool videos as much as I do, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And remember, when you subscribe, it's really important to ring that little bell, as that's really the only way you'll know when I drop a new video. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. Stay safe and have a great day.